the vest because whenever I'm running down the trail, I like to hike up and then run down.
It's cute, and I think it has at least a purpose. That's what I liked about this design. She made it for something that she personally found a need for while exercising and doing something. So it was purpose-built.
I like the styling and actually the function aspect. She came really from a function standpoint, and that's always a great place to start in design. So I think Allie did a really good job.
I think it's hard to make a showcase piece from the vest versus the jacket.
I liked Amy's, I think her use of color in her sketches really helped the impression of it. She had some level of inspiration behind it.
The tracksuit idea is very iconic, and I think that is an upcoming trend for the fall seasons.
Didn't see what made it a better track jacket. I thought it looked cool. I did like the aesthetic, the asymmetry, and the concept regarding the sun, but it does need a solid end use, and it didn't really have it.
With fashion, it's kind of really riding the line. It's not quite fashionable for fashion. I think the graphic idea is really cute, but then something has to be a little toned down if it's going to be fashion, or amped up if it's going to be function.
I actually like this storyboard a lot. I think there is the theme is very cohesive. It's very straightforward. I do agree that this could be an engineering nightmare, but overall I think it's very progressive, and it's going to offer a lot of inspiration for people to look at it.
As well as we've all agreed, the storyboard is fantastic in his ability to illustrate, which so many young people cannot do that.
Ryan definitely was thinking out of the box, which this industry really could use some of that, thinking and designing. And so I can't wait to see this in the North Face prototype room.
I thought she did a great job of targeting a group with a functional garment and integrating the style within it.
I thought Kristen's board came through the strongest of all of them on all of the levels. I agree with Ted, it really had a strong singular function.
And I would have loved to have seen this in color, and because her illustrations are okay, and if they were a little better with color, I think it would be an exceptional just illustration of the idea. Her idea was great.
She nailed it more than anyone on the team for the category, and being a young consumer that's conscientious about fuel and the whole get-go. I think it's darling design. I love her little vinyl helmet cover thing.
So I tried to go with this sort of Western cowboy feel.
I'm gonna be honest, and that's what we're gonna be, right? This is not good, and I guess she had something, an iPod pocket, and so on, but it's really very basically boring to me.
Fortunately, not much I felt excited about. I felt like the board was not at a standard that I would expect, and that there just wasn't anything particularly new or interesting, even though I thought the idea was there.
The piping there, she has an inseam pocket treatment. I thought that was interesting, but in the end, I'm afraid the style wasn't particularly dynamic, and I didn't know what the function was.
And there were two people that were really, really close, but the person that we chose for phase one was Ryan. So, Ryan, congratulations.
Ryan. Thank you. Thank you guys.
Thank you, judges.